pulled into Nazareth. I was feeling about a half past dead. I just need a place where I could lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my head, and no was all he said. Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny, and put the load right on me.
I picked up my bags and went looking for a place to hide. When I saw Old Carmen and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey Carmel, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I've got to go, but my friend, he can stick around. Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny, hey, and put the load right on me. Why don't you
Go down, Miss Moses, ain't nothing you can say. It's just old Luke, and Luke is waiting on the judgment day. Hey Luke, my friend, what about young Anna Lee? Said, do me a favor, boy, won't you stay and keep Anna Lee company? Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny, and put the load right on me. Yeah.
crazy just to follow me, and he caught me in the fall. He said, I'll see you right if you take on Jack, my dog. But I said,